how to create a free SENDGRID account. So first is you will need to go to sendgrid.com right here. And once you're here, you will see the start for free button. So you could either click here or click on the other one here on the top right. So both works. So I'm just going to go with this one. And once you're here, you will just simply need to fill out the form right here. So you will need to input your first, last name, email address, and your password. Just simply use the checkbox right there, or you could also sign up with Google if you want. So for me, I'm just going to use my Google account. After that is you will need to verify your phone numbers. So you just simply need to input your phone number right here. Then you could either send a code via SMS or send a code via voice call. So after verifying your phone number, you will be brought right here. So it will show you a recovery code, or you could either copy it or download it. So if you lose your phone or you don't have access to your verification device, this code is your failsafe to access your account. And once you have saved it, you just simply need to click on continue. After that is you will now need to set up your account. So you'll just simply need to fill out the details. But if you don't want to go through this, you could now just simply skip the dashboard by just simply clicking on the skip the dashboard option here on the top right. Then it will bring you right here. And as you can see, I'm currently on the free trial, which lasts like about a month. And if ever you want to upgrade, there's an upgrade option right there. And that is how you basically create a free SENDGRID account.